Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is M. Arif Rahman. I'm from TEP 2013. I'm going to tell you about kind of circuit. First, NOT gate, and second, AND gate, and third, OR gates, and then 7-segment display. The first NOT gate. If the NOT gate, we got IC 7404. In this IC, we know that if the input 0, the output will be 1. And then if the input 1, the output will be 0. In the circuit, I will tell you about this one. If the source get 5 voltage, the input will be 1, and then the output will be 0, and then light is not lightning. And then when the push button is pushed, the output will be 0, and then the input will be 0, and then the output will be 1, and then the light is lightning. Okay. The second is AND gates. In this circuit, we need IC 7408, and then the datasheet is, if the input, the port of input is 0, 0, the output will be 0. And then one of the input is 0, the output still 0. If the port of input is 1, the output will be 1. In the circuit, if the source get 5 voltage, the input will be 1, 1, and then the output will be 1, or the light is lightning. And then if the one of the push button is pushed, the input will be 1, 0 or 0, 1, and then the output will be 0. Because of that, the light is not lightning. And I'll tell you about OR gates. We know that in the OR gates, we get IC 7432, and then the datasheet is, if the input, part of the input is 0, the output will be 0. If one of the input is 1, the output will be 1. Part of input is 1, the output will be 1. Now, in this circuit, if the source get a 5 voltage, and then the input will be 1, and the output will be 1, and the light is lightning. If the one of the push button is pushed, the input will be 1, 0, and then the output will be 1. Light is still lightning. If the port of the push button is pushed, and then the input will be 0, 0, the output will be 0, then the light is not lightning. I will perform my circuit. This is NOT gates. If the input 1, the output will be 0, and the light is not lightning. If I push the button, the light is lightning, because the input will be 0, then the output will be 1. And then this is AND gates. if the input will be 1, port of input 1, then the output will be 1. So the light is lightning. If I push one of the push button, the light is not lightning because one of the input 0, so the output will be 0. If I push both of the push button, the lightning is not light. The light is not lightning. Now is our case. If the input 1 1, then the light is lightning. If the push button, if the one of the push button I push is not going down the light, because the input 0 1 and the output still 1, and the light is lightning. Now I will tell you about 7 segment display. The first, I need dip switch, and then 4 resistors, 10,000 ohm, and then IC 7447, and then resistor 330 ohm, and then 1 7 segment display. This resistor is used to resistance the current to the input in IC 7447, and then this resistor 330 is used for resistancing the current to the 7 segment display. Now I will tell you about how to manage the biner numeric to decimal numeric. If we need 1 in the 7 segment display, we can push the A button up, and then the A button will be 1 and the others is 0. So in the 7 segment display is 1. If we want to display in the 7 segment, we can push the B button up, and then the binary numeric is like this. So two is displaying in the 7 segment. If we want 3, we can push the button A, B up. So in the 7 segment display, going to 3, and then continue like that one. So I will perform both my circuit. If I never touch the push button, the 7 segment display is going to 0, because the input is 0, 0, 0, and 0. So in the 7 segment display is 0. If I push the 1 button up, and then in the 7 segment display is going to 1. If I push the B button up, and then in the 7 segment display is going to 2. If I push A, B up, it's going to 3, and then if I push the C up, it's going to 4. If I push 1 and A and C up, I get 5. If I push B and C up, it's going to 6. If I push A, B, C up, I'm get 7. If I push D button, it's going to 8. And then the largest number is 9. I push the 4. I push the D and A button up, so it's gonna show 9. Okay, I'm sorry about my words if I get false. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.